Okay, so these are our screens we were working on the last time, and the last prototype we made was a connection for the login screen. So today we will be doing the sign ups phase. Well, if you are new to this channel, just see the link to these files attached to the bio. You can work with it if you choose to, or use whatever you want to work with. So let's dive straight in. So right now, we'll be working with we'll be made. Okay, so click on your button and connect it to the next screen. That's for the login screen. We'll be working on the sign up screen. Remember, so the sign up prototype. So here we go. Now let's set up the sign up. We'll connect this to this. On click, navigate to Smart Animate. Don't worry about the lines coming up on the screen here. These are just the prototype for the login screen. Now, when you try to sign up, it must request for the user to insert name, email, password. So when you click here, it takes you to this screen. And you fill once the details are filled, it takes you to sorry. Once the details are filled and you click on sign up, it takes you to this screen here. Therefore, it will require you to insert your phone number. Now, if you try to click on continue, it will request you to insert phone number on click. Now, when you click here, it takes you to this screen, and that will be on click. Next, from this screen, it transitions to this and then to the end here because we are inserting the phone number. So this is on click, but this will be after delay. So it will just look like a typing screen, like you're typing in your phone number. So 099. So this is after delay, smart animate. That's the function and the transition. So the function is after delay, the transition type is smart animate. Now we do the same thing for all of them. So we select the function here, not from this button, but from the screen here. This is just an easy way to transit. Instead of using sorry, excuse me. So it's after delay, smart animate. So this is just another way to animate without using variants. I would make a separate video where we learn to use variants, and the advantage of variants is it reduces you duplicating so many screens. Just make a short design and duplicate, and you apply the effect to your screen using a component state. So that will be for another video. So after the transition here, goes to verify accounts. That will be on click, not on the page this time, but on this button. So verify accounts. Yes, that will be on click now. Smart animates. Verify accounts. Then it takes us to this screen here. On click. Now when it navigates to this screen here, next, we must make sure this is set in the middle. Please, let's go back to our design and set this to the middle. Just make sure everything is set up nicely so that during presentation our screen won't be dancing. It will not look professional that way. So just take to the middle, make sure it's aligned to the middle. Next, we go back to the prototype, click on prototype here. Transition to this. After delay, smart animate. Transition to this. After delay, smart animate. Transition to this. After delay, smart animate. Transition to this screen here. After delay, smart animate. This goes to this. After delay, smart animate. This also goes here. After delay, smart animate. So from here now, it now transitions to this screen here. Still after delay, smart animate. So if you want to see why we made these screens the way they are here, you could check out the previous video and follow through. This is a hover effect we were just trying to work on here. So it's time to test our screen. Always remember that if you want to test your screen, always click on the main frame. Next, I will use present preview just to see how it is, and then we can use present. Next, please let's watch. So if a user wants to rent a house, for instance, log in, remember password, log in. Yeah, it looks nice, and yeah. Or sign up. Please do some preview. So sorry, let's restart the process. So let's go to preview. So if a user wants to rent probably a shared house, come sign up. Click here, sign up. Click here, 0994578993. Okay, 993. So continue. Verify. Code is sent to this. Didn't receive code, request again. Verify account. Loads, loads, loads. After loading, then it takes us to the screen. So basically, this is it for prototyping. These are the basics of prototyping in one video. And if you want to preview present this, you click on present and buy a house, sign up. Yeah, sign up. That's phone number. So we will put on the write up for the description of the page so that the user can understand. We have to go back to our design and work it out. That's after this. Verify account. Yeah, so basically that's it. Next, there will be a video where you could frame your device, your Outlook in a mockup. So watch out for the videos that come along. Please like and subscribe if you find this interesting. So on your own, you can create a description for this. Like we receive, okay, that's this. Please insert your phone number. Okay, so that's it. That's it here. I think it's okay. Yeah, if there are changes you need to make, it's fine. You can ask around and get your design critic and then use what you learned to or suggestions or advice to